I was more worried yesterday than I am today. They did a good job. They ran last night and topped off this dike. And now I think I heard that they lowered it to 41.5 instead of 42, so if that sticks, that's good news.
Okay.
It's hard to get bags for private use.
Right, that's what we had heard.
So when you look at the cost of filling them somewhere else versus bringing in a truckload of sand, it was more efficient to do this. And then
Well, I moved in 96, right before the flood of 97, and we didn't do anything in 97. We watched it across the street, and we didn't do anything.
So this one's a little more hands-on?
Yeah, this one has got us a little more nervous. I mean, they do have dikes over there this year, but